Today we will learn a few steps in using water monitoring system. The first thing you will do is log into your account, type your email and password, then click sign in. Once you've entered, go to the advanced module. At the right side you will find an arrow. After that you will find another module named Water Refilling Monitoring. Click it, and it directly brings you to the water refilling dashboard. There you will see a variety of features. There are a total of 15 features, each having a specific set of purpose to the system's overall function. Now I will explain to you each of the features' function. Regenerating process. This is a feature that acts as a reminder of when you will pour in another batch of salt to the mixture. The user can set it to the exact number of bottles that are filled. In this case, the user set it to 200. Once the subtotal matches the overall, you can click the reset button and it will automatically reset to 0. Total non-tax sales. This feature shows the total amount of non-tax sales of a day, week, month, year, depending on what the user wants to view or see. Total non-OR expenses. This feature enables the user to input and track non-OR expenses. If you want to add in non-OR expenses, you can click Add Expenses. And if you want to track non-OR, simply click Track Expenses. Both options provide information and details needed in adding in a new line of non-OR expenses and tracking recent non-OR expenses. Change SAP filter in mineral, purified, and alkaline. This feature is similar to the regenerating process that enables the user to set the exact limit. It only differs to the point that it changes SAP filters in mineral water, purified water, and alkaline water. But in setting up this feature, it ultimately depends on the length of time a water refilling station follows in changing their SAP filters. Net income is the feature that is equivalent to sales minus expenses computation. It illustrates the total net income of a day, week, month, year, depending on what the user wants to view. Total bottles issued. This feature gives the overall total of bottles a water refilling business issued its customers. Original bottle quantity. This feature shows the original quantity of bottles your water refilling business owns. Bottles on hand. It is a feature that shows the current bottles the business is in hand. Bottles damage. This feature gives the total amount of bottles that is damaged. Containers sold. This feature shows the number of containers you have sold. Cash on hand. This feature is the result of the computation process. Sales minus expenses minus customer O equals cash on hand. Here you can observe a more summarized representation, and it serves as the total amount the business is currently in hand. Customer O is a feature that gives the total balance of the customers to the business. Number of unpaid bottles. This is a feature that shows the quantity of refilled and undelivered bottles, including the remaining filled bottles in the station. Now we will learn how to add entries in the system. First, go to the Advanced module. On the right side click the arrow. It will show the Water Refilling Monitoring module. At the right side there's another arrow. Click it, and it will show two options: Add New Entry, and Reports. Click Add New Entry. It will show some information that is needed to be filled. Start by typing the name of the customer. Second, check the date according to when the entry is made. Third, select the type of entry, then the product name, its quantity, then enter. Lastly, if the entry is fully paid, type in the total amount in the amount paid. If it is still unpaid, leave the amount paid blank, then click Create. After that, go back to the Water Refilling module, then click the Report option. Once you've entered, go to View Report by Date Range, then type the date of the entry you've added, then click the Search button. Scroll down, find the name of the customer and check if the information is accurate. Or you can apply another way. Go back to the reports, go to View Report by Customer Name, and type in the name of the specific customer. Scroll down and find the exact date below. There are pages where you can look for it. Once you find it, check if the details are correct. Another useful tool is also found in the Reports option, the Track Issued Bottles. It can be found at the bottom. Scroll down. Once you find it, click the button. We can see that its capacity is not limited in simple tracking of bottles. It can track specifically and in totality. For example, I will type a specific customer. We can observe that every information is filtered out, or in other words categorized, which is very efficient and useful to the user that wants to see the total issued and returned bottles of their customer. It also provides the exact date of when the transaction had taken place, by way of simply clicking the View Details option. Thank you for watching. For more videos pertaining to the usage of water monitoring system, please click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our Facebook page and website, in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.